Good morning KG1, how are you today? Today we're going to review the sounds and the numbers that we have studied on the 5th week of this semester. So let's see, what was the first sound? Who can tell me? Yes, you're very clever. This is the W sound. Okay, so W. Let's remember what was the story behind it. It was a very windy day, and the wind was blowing very strong, and this man, his umbrella kept on bending, the trees were bending very hard, and the man could hear a W sound. So what sound did the man hear? Very good, W. So he started to sing. What did he see? What did he say? He said, I see the clouds moving, whoa, 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 I see the kites flying, whoa, 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 I see the trees bending, whoa, 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 the wind is blowing strong. Let's listen to the song together.
I see the clouds moving, whoa, 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 I see the kites flying, whoa, 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 I see the trees bending, whoa, 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 the wind is blowing strong.
Very good. So what is this sound, KG1? Yes, very clever. W. Okay, this is the big W or the capital one, and this is the small one. The name of the letter is W. However, whenever we see it, what sound shall we do? Yes, very good. W. Now, let's see what words starts with the sound W. The first one we have is water. W, water. Watermelon. W, watermelon. The next one, watch. W, watch. We also have window. W, window. And the last word is wagon. So let's say them again. Water, watermelon, watch, window, wagon. Very clever KG1. Now, let's see, how do we write the sound W? Now, do you remember we have our very nice 3 lines? So, in order to write the capital W, we're going to start from the upper line, do a slanted line down all the way to the bottom line, slanted line up to the middle line, slanted line down to the bottom line, then slanted line up again to the upper line. What about the small W? We're going to start from the middle line, slanted line down, slanted line up, slanted line down, slanted line up. Very good, KG1, you're very clever. Now, let's move on to the next sound. Who can tell me what was this sound? Yes, very good. It's the V sound. So, what is the story of this V sound? There was this man whose name is Vic. He had this van and he was driving around the village. He was very happy driving, and he passed by his friends in this shop, the fruit shop, and he would wave them goodbye. Okay, the friends were very happy and very excited, and they started to sing. What did they say? They said, drive Vic van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village. Let's listen to the song together.
Drive Vic's van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village.
Very good, KG1. So what is this sound? Very good. It's the V sound. This is the big V or the capital one, and this is the small V. Okay, the name of the letter is V. However, whenever we see it, what sound shall we do? Very good, V sound. Now let's see what words start with the sound V. The first one we have is vest. V, vest. We also have van, V, van. There is vase, V, vase. This is the vase where we put the flowers in at home. V, vase. We have V, vacuum, V, vacuum. And the last sound the last word we have is vegetables, V, vegetables. Let's say them again. Vest, van, vase, vacuum, and vegetables. Very good, KG1. Now, we want to write the sound V. Who Who can tell me how can we do it? Let's see together. So for the capital V, we're going to start from the upper line, do a slanted line down to the bottom line, then slanted line up. For the small V, from the middle line, slanted line down, slanted line up. Very good, KG1. So now we have finished our sounds. Let's review together the numbers that we have studied during that week. This is the first number. What is this number? Who can tell me? 1 and 7. It's 17. Very good. 17. Now, let's count together 17 oranges. Okay, can you count with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So now we counted 17 oranges. You're very clever. Now, how do we write this 17? It's a 1 and a 7. Okay, so 1 and 7 make what number, KG1? What is this number again? Very good, it's 17. Now let's move on to the new number. What is this? 1 and 8. It is very good, 18. 1 and 8 is 18. So let's count together 18 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very clever, KG1. You can count till 18. You're very clever. Okay, so 1 and 8 is what, KG1? It's 18. So how do you write the 18 again? It's 1 and 8. Good, KG1. You're very clever. Okay, now let's practice together some addition. Okay, who can tell me what was this sign? What is its name? Yes, very good. It's called plus. And what about this? What is it? It's equal. Very good. Now, let's do some practicing. Now, what is this? This is 6 plus 3. We want to add 6 plus 3. How can we do it? First, we have to look for the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? Yes, very good. It's the 6. So we're going to put the 6 in our minds, and the 3 we're going to put them on our fingers. Now start to count. We have 6 in our mind, then 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Very good, KG1. Let's do one more. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Which is the bigger number? Very good, it is the 4. So we're going to put the 4 in our mind and the 3 on our fingers. Okay, now start to count. 4 in our mind. After 4 comes 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Very good, KG1. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's do one more. We have 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Which is the bigger number, KG1? 8 or 2? Yes, very good. It is 8. So we're going to put the 8 in our mind and the 2 on our fingers. Now start to count. We have 8 in our mind, then after 8 comes 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Very clever, KG1. You're all very clever. I'm very proud of you. So this is the end of our revision for this week. I'm going to say goodbye now and see you next time, inshallah, with the new revision. Goodbye, KG1.